this video we are going to talk about the top 5 blockchains. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Along with cryptocurrencies, other aspects of the sector, such as Web 3.0 and metaverse gaming, have seen increased awareness and adoption in various regions of the world. Other crypto-related technologies are expected to grow in popularity by 2022. One such technology to keep an eye on is blockchain. The underlying technology that enables cryptocurrencies is known as the blockchain. Number 5. Binance Smart Chain, BNB. Binance Chain, the company's initial blockchain, is designed for quick decentralized trade. However, it lacks smart contracts and programmability. Binance Smart Chain, BSC, was built to address this issue. It is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine and runs in parallel to the original Binance Chain. It also supports smart contract functionality, EVM. BSC is not a layer 2 or off-chain scalability solution, it is an independent blockchain. The block time on Binance Smart Chain is roughly 3 seconds. BNB is the native token of both blockchains. Validators can earn transaction fees by staking BNB. There is no block reward in the form of newly coined BNB, unlike Bitcoin. This is due to the fact that BNB is not an inflationary currency. Instead, the quantity of BNB diminishes over time as the Binance team burns coins on a regular basis. Interestingly, Binance Chain's BEP2 and BEP8 tokens can be exchanged for BSC's BEP20 tokens. Using the Binance Chain wallet, this is simple. Number 4. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche is a well-known blockchain for decentralized finance, DeFi. AAVE, Trader Joe, Wonderland, Banky, and Curve are the main DeFi protocols that run on Avalanche. The feature that we appreciate best about Avalanche is that it allows anyone to create their own private and public blockchains. With a transactional throughput of almost 4,500 transactions per second, Avalanche outperforms Bitcoin, 7 transactions per second, Ethereum, 14 transactions per second, and Polkadot, 1,500 TPS. Avalanche, less than 2 seconds, outperforms Bitcoin, 60 minutes, Ethereum, 6 minutes, and Polkadot in terms of transactional finality, 60 seconds. AVAX is Avalanche's native token, which may be used for staking, paying fees, and serving as a unit of account across the many Avalanche subnetworks. A Snow Protocol family is a consensus mechanism. Number 3. Polygon, Matic. The Ethereum blockchain is sluggish and expensive to use. Polygon offers a variety of goods and services to address this issue. Polygon's software development kit allows developers to create Ethereum sidechains, which are blockchains that are linked to Ethereum by a two-way peg. There are several sorts of sidechains. Bundling transactions into blocks, which are then submitted to the Ethereum blockchain in a single batch, allowing for the consolidation of several transfers into a single transaction. Plasma chains are Ethereum smart contract scaling chains. Matic is Polygon's native token, and it can be used for the following: pay for network transaction fees, operate as a unit of payment and settlement in the Polygon ecosystem, and fuel the Polygon proof-of-stake sidechain. The mechanism for reaching a consensus, stakeholder proof. Number 2. Algorand, ALGO. Algorand is a next-generation blockchain that connects the worlds of decentralized and centralized finance. ALGO is its native crypto. Algorand standard assets are fungible, non-fungible, restricted fungible, and limited non-fungible assets that run on the blockchain's layer 1. What people enjoy best about Algorand standard assets is this. For corporate, compliance, and regulatory requirements, role-based asset controls are offered. For the sake of investigations, asset accounts can be quarantined. Legal compliance may need forced asset transfers. Permissions can be set up such that only addresses on a whitelist are allowed to transact. Off-chain asset documentation can be included in the asset definition on the blockchain. To accept new assets, users must opt in. Number 1. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, not a blockchain. It's also not a cryptocurrency. It's actually a protocol, such as HTTP or HTTPS, which is a set of rules or procedures. The Ethereum protocol is used to run multiple separate blockchains. Most people think of Ethereum in terms of mainnet, which is the main public Ethereum production blockchain. On the blockchain, this is where actual value transactions take place. Ether is Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, ETH. The Ethereum virtual machine is one of the most significant blockchain developments, EVM. The Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, is the environment in which all Ethereum accounts and smart contracts reside. Smart contracts are computer programs that operate on their own when certain criteria are satisfied. The Ethereum protocol's main aim is to ensure the EVM's continuous, uninterrupted, and unchangeable operation. Ethereum has only one canonical or unique state per block. The rules for computing new valid states from one block to the next are defined by EVM. The Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, is a single entity maintained by a large number of connected computers, nodes, running an Ethereum client like Geth or OpenEthereum. A client is a piece of software that allows nodes to view blocks and smart contracts on the blockchain. ERC-20 for fungible tokens like stablecoins and ERC-721 are the most widely used Ethereum standards for non-fungible tokens. Then there's ERC-777, a better version of ERC-20, and ERC-1155, which contains both fungible and non-fungible assets. The unit of measurement for the amount of computing effort necessary to perform various activities on the Ethereum network is called gas. Because each transaction consumes computational resources, each Ethereum transaction demands a fee called gas. The gas fee is denominated in GUI and paid in ETH. The time it takes to mine a new block is referred to as block time, a bunch of transactions. The typical block time on Ethereum is 12 to 14 seconds. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.